In this video, I'm going to go right ahead and unbox this GoPro Chesty Performance chest mount. Now, if you saw my last video, I was actually talking about how I wanted to go right ahead and use the GoPro, and I want to go right ahead and basically use it when I'm riding my motorcycle. So I was debating in, mounting it into the helmet, putting it in, actually mounting it in the bar in the motorcycle. And at the end I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go right ahead and try out this chest mount. So let's go right ahead and unbox this and let's see what we have inside. Now before we unbox it, actually, let's go right ahead and look around to see what we have. So compatible with all GoPro cameras, good. It looks like this is basically the half of it. So we have included performance chest mount, vertical mount, buckle, and thumb screw. Cool. So let's see this side. There's nothing to it. Bottom. That's basically it. Simple. Well, let's open this up. Let's see if I don't cut myself. There you go. All right. And this is it. So looks like I'll just open this like this. And here is our chest mount. Now, I was actually looking all over the place for different chest mounts, and the more that I kind of went through the comments, because I was like, oh, I'll just get an inexpensive one from Amazon. But then I started reading on the comments, and I started noticing that there was a lot of comments that were basically, they really didn't like it because it wasn't as comfortable as basically some of the reviews that this GoPro chest mount had. So that's why I was like, you know what? It's like for, I believe it was $39.99. It's like, you know what? If I'm going to be using it, for vlogging as well as, getting some clips on my motorcycle, might as well be comfortable while I'm doing all that. So let's go right ahead and see what we got. Let's see. Just go ahead and take this off. So you have flexible straps, and basically that's it. I mean, it's just one whole piece. From my understanding is that so you can basically squeeze these here, and this will actually open up. So it's you can actually just basically put it on way simpler than actually having this basically closed and then basically trying to get in there. And one of the things that I completely forgot to show you is basically this kit does come with the vertical mount. So this is a little bit different than the original one. Let me see if I can find the original one. So the original one is basically the one that comes in the original box, basically is this one right here, and this one's the one for the chest piece. So it is a little bit risen. I'm thinking just to go right ahead and actually get the GoPro to actually sit straight. So here you get this, and of course you get another thumb screw here. Alrighty, so basically here is the chest mount. It's not bad. I mean, you could go right ahead and adjust the straps to basically adjust to your body type. But it's comfortable right now. I mean, we'll see what happens when I'm actually going out cruising for, maybe 45 minutes to up to an hour. We shall see how comfortable it is then, but I'll go right ahead and review that later on. So basically here's the GoPro already mounted on there. As you can see, basically it's actually upright. So because of that little adapter and everything, so it looks good. It looks like if I'm actually going to be sitting down or even just basically just vlogging in general, I'm going to go right ahead and basically get everything that's in front of me. So we'll go right ahead and test that out. Right now, I'm actually going to go right ahead and take some footage on this GoPro to actually see or I should say the camera's perspective in how it actually looks with this chest mount. All right, so basically I am recording right now. I'm in my backyard. I'm just gonna go right ahead and walk around. just so we can test this out, see how good it is. So basically, here's my hands, kind of like a reference point. So not bad. We shall see exactly how the footage comes out, and I'm actually anxious to go right ahead and go out and, you know, start riding. Well, that is the end of this unboxing for the GoPro chest mount. We'll, like I said before, we'll go right ahead and see how comfortable this chest mount gets as soon as I go right ahead and start breaking it in. Anyways, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we'll catch you on the next one.